everyone. I hope everyone is doing well and welcome to my channel. Well, today, beauties, I'm going to do some organizational DIY kind of thing, I guess you could say. This is where I keep my spices. I don't have too many, but I do have some and I want to organize them. I don't have no kind of organizational system going on. They're just in here and I'll show you just a bit. But before that we get started with this organizational video, me organizing my spice cabinet, I guess you could say, I want to ask if you could please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also if you could hit that bell button right there so that you could be notified every time that I upload a new video. Okay, beauties, well, one of my goals that I didn't mention in my resolution and goals was to be more organized in my pantry and also in my spice cabinet. It's not very organized at all. And one thing that I found is that every time I'm trying to find a spice, I'm there having to move them around and trying to look for them. And it's just, I don't know, I've just never just thought, let me just organize it to where it's easier for me. Why? Duh, I have no idea. I don't know. But anyhow, that's what this video is going to be about. I am going to show you how I'm going to organize my spice cabinet. And this is how it looks. Please don't get scared. Ta-da! There you go. So as you can see, they are in no particular order. They're just there. And I just wanted to simplify it in something very simple and easy, and that's what this video is going to be about. Just a very simple, quick, and easy fix that I think will work for me. I hope that it turns out as good as I am anticipating that it will. So let's go ahead and get started with organizing my spice cabinet. All right, so let's start. I'm going to go ahead and show you the items that I purchased at the Dollar Tree to organize my spice cabinet. Okay, so I'm going to go show you really quick, and that is just coming up right now. Okay, I'm going to be using 2 of these burner cover sets. I went ahead and I purchased 2 of these at the Dollar Tree, and also these right here, these little long bins. This little basket right here, and also some marbles. So these are the items that I will be using to organize my spice rack, and I purchased all these at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start by taking all the spices out. Next, I go ahead and I wipe the cabinet. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put those long bins in the cabinet, but I'm going to use that long little basket just to give one of those bins just some height. Now I'm going to start by putting in my spice containers and trying to figure out how I want to arrange them. I decided to put the spices that I don't use as much in those little trays. How funny, a task so little, I was getting really confused in how to arrange these spices. I mean, seriously. And now I'll be using these 2 burner covers and also these marbles to create a little spin tray for my other spices. The burner cover sets come with 2, a big one and a small one. I'll be using the 2 big ones to create that spin tray. I'm going to go ahead and start adding the marbles to the tray. And there you go, I have one large spinning tray. And now I'm going to start adding all these spices that I do use in a regular basis. love the way this turn tray turned out. Now I'm going to place a smaller tray up at the top. Okay, so now I've added the marbles to the smaller tray. And now I'm going to start adding the remainder of the spices on that smaller round tray. I was having trouble with that sea salt. The tube was too long, so I'm going to have to put it to one side. And there you have it. My spice cabinet is organized. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also like and share. And that is it. So you have yourself a blessed day, and I will see you in my next DIY or my next video. Bye bye and God bless.